A residence visa in Portugal, known as the D2 visa, is designed for entrepreneurs and investors. Under Article 60 of the Foreigners' Law, applicants can qualify if they have already made an investment in Portugal, if they can show proof of financial means and a clear intention to invest, or if they are developing an entrepreneurial project, such as launching an innovative company through a certified incubator. As an immigration attorney, and after representing applicants from more than 11 different nationalities in Portuguese D-type visas, I decided to share my professional experience in these videos. Today, I will shed light on the main reasons why D2 visa applications are often refused, so that future applicants can better prepare and avoid common mistakes. When compared with entrepreneurship visas offered by other European countries, including the UK and Spain, the requirements for the Portuguese D2 visa are relatively flexible. For instance, the law does not impose a fixed minimum investment amount as a condition for approval. However, applicants must still meet other important criteria. Since the D2 is a residence visa and allows the inclusion of family members, the scrutiny by the authorities has become stricter over time. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, it was easier to obtain this visa even with smaller investments. But in recent years, the refusal rate has risen significantly, especially for those lacking a clear business background or failing to demonstrate sufficient financial strength through their Portuguese bank account. So, let's now dive in and explore the main reasons behind the high refusal rate of the D2 visa. 1. Insufficient funds represent the most common reason for D2 visa rejection. Portuguese authorities require proof of minimum subsistence funds, plus additional capital for business operations. Many applicants fail by only providing home country bank statements, without opening Portuguese accounts or proving fund sources. Applicants must prove they have adequate financial resources to support themselves and the business. Failure to demonstrate availability of funds through Portuguese bank statements or investment proof often leads to refusal. 2. Invalid business documentation is another leading cause of refusal. Applicants must provide valid business plans, and for existing companies, founding documentation and financial statements are required. 3. Submission of incomplete documentation may result in application rejection. Documentation incomplete represents a frequent refusal ground. 4. Criminal records with annotations lead to automatic refusal. Portuguese law requires clean criminal background certificates from all countries of residence in the past 5 years. 5. Submitting fake documents or providing false information is an automatic reason for rejection, including forged bank statements. Inaccurate or misleading data could lead not only to visa rejection, but to an outright ban from ever applying again. 6. The most common reason for refusal is an incomplete or unrealistic business plan. The D2 visa requires a credible plan showing how your business will operate and contribute to the Portuguese economy. Under Article 60, authorities assess the viability and sustainability of your proposed activity. 7. Authorities scrutinize whether the business venture is genuine. Applications lacking substantial business activity proof, unrealistic revenue projections, or business models incompatible with Portuguese market conditions face refusal. 8. Previous overstaying of Schengen visas creates grounds for refusal. Any history of immigration violations within the Schengen area significantly impacts D2 visa approval chances. 9. If the business does not show relevance to Portugal's economy, technology, culture, or social interests, the visa may be denied. The law emphasizes contribution to national development, as noted in Article 60 of Law Number 23 of 2007. 10. Applicants must prove they have adequate financial resources to support themselves and the business. Failure to demonstrate availability of funds through bank statements or investment proof often leads to refusal. Most refusals happen because applicants underestimate the importance of strong evidence and proper documentation. By preparing a realistic business plan, showing sufficient funds, and complying with legal requirements, you can significantly improve your chances of success. The D2 visa process is complex and involves numerous requirements and documents. These include obtaining a Portuguese tax number, providing proof of company incorporation in Portugal, showing evidence of a Portuguese bank account, transferring funds, and submitting several supporting documents from your home country. Applying without the guidance of an experienced immigration lawyer or law firm can be very risky, as even a small mistake may result in refusal of your visa. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching. Your input matters.